Assalamu alaikum. If you're watching this video, then you most probably watched the previous videos that I made similar to this one, which I explain a story, the details, the words, and so on. And if you're interested to learn Turkish more this way, the way I explain these stories, then check out the 5 Turkish stories that I have previously prepared. They are 9-hour long, so you will learn a lot of Turkish. For those interested in learning Turkish faster, click on the link in the description box below for more details. Our story today is about Tavşan ve arkadaşları, the rabbit and his friends. Arkadaşları, his friends. Masalı, the tale. So it's the tale of the rabbit and his friends. As you know, at the end of each story, we learn a certain advice. They give us an advice which is very nice and important in our daily lives. Also, it can be applied in our daily lives. And at the end of the video, as usual, I will put some Turkish words that you will try to remember their meanings. They passed in the story. And also, I will put the English translation of this story. Uzaklarda bir ormanda bir tavşan ve arkadaşları mutlu mesut yaşıyorlardı. Meaning of the sentence: in a forest far away, a rabbit and his friends lived happily. So uzaklarda, far away from the word uzak. Uzak means far, uzaklarda, far away. Bir ormanda, in a forest, orman. Bir tavşan, a rabbit ve arkadaşları and his friends mutlu mesut yaşıyorlardı, used to live happily. So mutlu mesut, both of them means happily. Yaşıyorlardı, they used to live. We can say also lived. So it depends on the translation to English. This word comes from yaşamak, to live. The ıyor is the şimdiki zaman present continuous tense. Lar is the plural. The is the past tense. So they used continuous. They used to live in the past. Günlerden bir gün avcılar köpeklerini alıp ormana geldiler. One day the hunters took their dogs and came to the forest. Günlerden bir gün. A day from these days, from days. So we say one day. We don't translate it as a day from days. No, one day. Avcılar, the hunters, köpeklerini alıp they brought their dogs ormana geldiler and came to the orman, to the forest. So köpeklerini, their dogs. Alıp, almak, to bring or to buy, but here it means to bring. Geldiler, they came to the forest. Now here, so many times I've explained this up because we have two actions. Instead of saying aldılar ve geldiler, we say alıp and we put the ending diler at the end and we remove the word ve. Gittikçe yaklaşan köpek sesleri tavşanı ürkütmeye başladı. Meaning of the sentence is the sounds of the dogs approaching more and more began to frighten the rabbit. So gittikçe yaklaşan köpek. So the dog that were approaching. Yaklaşmak, to approach. Yaklaşan, also I've mentioned this on and before. It means the one who is doing the action. So the dogs are approaching. So the approaching dogs, gittikçe here means with time. So they are approaching with time more and more. Köpek sesleri, the voice of the dogs that are approaching. So this is how it is now. The voices of the dogs, of course, plural. The dogs that are approaching tavşanı ürkütmeye başladı, started to frighten the rabbit. So the rabbit. Başladı, from başlamak, to start. Başladı in the past, started. Ürkütmeye, from ürkütmek, to scare. Ürkütmeye başladı, started to scare. Tavşan korkudan ne yapacağını şaşırmış halde ormanda sağa sola koşmaya, arkadaşlarından yardım istemeye başladı. Meaning of this sentence, 3 lines, almost 3 to 2 lines, it means that the rabbit began to run left and right in the forest, asking for help from his friends. And he was afraid what to do. So tavşan korkudan ne yapacağını şaşırmış halde. Şaşırmış halde means in astonishment. So he was astonished. Ne yapacağını, what should he do? From fear. So the rabbit was astonished, was surprised, let's say in a negative way. What he should do from korku, from fear. So from fear, the rabbit, what should he do? He was astonished, he was surprised, didn't know what to do. Ormanda sağa sola koşmaya. So he started to run, koşmak, to run, koşmaya. He started to run left, to the right in the forest. Arkadaşlarından yardım istemeye başladı. He wanted to start help, yardım, help arkadaşlarından from his friend. But of course we don't say he wanted to start help from his friend. We say he was asking. İstemeye means here asking. He started to ask for help from his friends, arkadaşlarından, from his friends. Atın yanına gitti. He went next to the at, the horse. So atın yanına, non-complement, gitti, he went. He went next to the horse and he told him this sentence. Dedi means he said the following. Lütfen bana yardım eder misin? Please, can you help me? So please, bana, to me, yardım etmek, to help, missing the question. So please, can you help me? Beni sırtına alıp koşarsan köpekler bizi yakalayamaz. Bu tehlikeden beni kurtarabilirsin, he said to him. If you take me on your back and run, the dogs cannot catch us. You can save me from this danger. Beni sırtına alıp, as we said before, to take me on your, alıp, to take me, beni, to take me on your back. Koşarsan, if you run. So koşmak, to run. Koşar, the AR is the geniş zaman, the SA is the if, and then the ne you. So if you run, again, so if you take me on your back and run, and if you run, köpekler bizi yakalayamaz. The dogs cannot catch us. Yakalamak, to catch. Yakalayamaz. The maz is the negative of the geniş zaman, and we have y as a protection letter. So they cannot catch us. Bizi. Bu tehlikeden beni kurtarabilirsin. You can save me from this danger, tehlike, danger. Then from beni, I or me, kurtarabilirsin. The abir here, can, sen, you. You can save me from this danger, he said. Next. So now the at says this sentence, the horse replies. Üzgünüm tavşan kardeş, yapacak çok işim var, dedi. He said. So the horse said, I am sorry, brother rabbit. I have a lot of work to do. Yapacak, will do in the future. Çok işim, a lot of work, var, there is. So we translate it as I have a lot of work to do in the future. To do. That's it. Üzgünüm is this is üzgün means sad. Üzgünüm, I am sad. Tavşan is rabbit, kardeş brother. Yapacak from yapmak, to do. Acak, will do. Çok işim var. My lot of work, but we don't say it this way. We have to say a lot. I have a lot of work, but we have to put the letter M because it's my work. We have to specify who is the personal pronoun. Tavşan zebranın yanına gitti ve. So now the rabbit went next to the zebra. Zebranın yanına ve, and he said, dedi. He said the following sentence. Hayatım tehlikede, av köpekleri peşimdeler. Senden hızlı koşan yok. Sırtına alıp beni götürebilir misin? So he told him this sentence. He said, hayatım tehlikede. As we said, tehlike means danger. Hayat means life. Hayatım, my life. So my life is in danger. Av köpekleri peşimdeler. The hunting dogs. So the hunting dogs, peşimdeler, are behind me, are after me, in other words. So peşimdeler, are after me. Senden hızlı koşan yok. There is no one that can run faster than you. Senden from you. Hızlı, fast. Koşan, runner. So the person who runs, koşan, runner. Yok, there isn't. So there isn't someone that is fast, that runs fast as you. Sırtına alıp beni götürebilir misin? It's the same as past before with the horse. Can you take me on your back? And here, can you carry me on your back? So we don't say take me on your back. Can you carry me on your back and take me? Götürebilir misin? And take me away. He means away, far away, dedi, he said. Zebra said, üzgünüm ama halletmem gereken işlerim var. Also, I am sorry, but I have things to do. Üzgünüm, I am sorry ama but halletmem, to solve things I must solve. Gereken, also here gereken means must. There is something for me to do. In other words, I have to do something. I have to solve something. So he has something to do. Here halletmek means to solve. But of course he means that he has to do something. İşlerim var, work there is. So again, this sentence we can translate it as I have some business to take care of, or I have some work to take care of. Arkadaşlarımla yiyecek aramaya çıkacağım, or çıkacağım, also we can say it. So it means I'm going out to look for food with my friends. Arkadaşlarımla, la means with, me is I, arkadaşlarımla, with my friends. Yiyecek means food, aramaya, to search. Çıkacağım means I will go out. So it means here I'm going out to look for food with my friends. Now here çıkacağım, we say it this way in normal life. In your daily life you'll hear it this way, but grammatically it is said as çıkacağım. Çıkacağım, but in real life we don't say çıkacağım, we say çıkacağım. Next. By the way, if you want to receive the PDF form of this story and the other stories that I have on my channel, then check out the link in the description box below to receive the PDF of these stories, of other videos that I have on my channel, plus the scripts of the videos, the movies that I'm doing on my channel. You can check the link in the description box below for the PDF files. Tavşan ayının yanına gitti. So the rabbit went now, this time next to who? The bear. Ayı. So the rabbit went next to the bear. Ayı da bahaneler üreterek. The bear also producing what? Bahane, excuse. So it means that the bear also made excuses. Üreterek means producing, but we don't translate it this way. So the bear also made excuses. Üzgünüm, yardım edemem dedi. He said, I am sorry, I cannot help you. Edemem. Here the me is negative. Me here is for I. I cannot help you. Yardım etmek, to help. Edemem, I cannot help you. So he told him, I'm sorry, I cannot help you. Tavşan ceylanın yanına gitti. Now the rabbit went next to the gazelle. Ve what did he tell him? Çok hızlı koşarsın. Beni bu av köpeklerinden kurtarabilir misin? Dedi. So this time the rabbit asked the gazelle, he told him, you run very fast. Çok hızlı, very fast. Koşarsın. You run from koşmak. AR is the geç zaman. Beni bu av köpeklerinden kurtarabilir misiniz? Can you save me? So kurtarmak, to be saved. Me is the question. Can you save me from the hunting dogs? Beni means me. So, can you save me from these hunting dogs? The ceylan said, maalesef, unfortunately, avcılar beni görürse peşime düşerler. Görürse, say is if the hunters see me, peşime düşerler, they will follow me, or they will go after me. This word passed before, düşerler, okay, we'll not translate it as it is because it will give another meaning. You should know that peşime düşerler, they will come after me. Başkasından yardım almalısın. You should get help from someone else. Almalısın. Malı means should. Malı or meli depending on the vowel. Almalısın. You should bring yardım, help from someone else. Başkasından, from someone else. So you should seek help from someone else or you should get help from someone else. Both of them work for the translation. Let's see how the story ends. Av köpekleri çok yaklaşmıştı. The hunting dogs were very close. Yaklaşmak, to be close, yaklaşmıştı. This is the reported past tense we use in stories a lot. So the hunting dogs were very close. Tavşan artık koşmaya başladı. The rabbit began to run now. So he started to run. These two words passed before. Önünde uzun otlarla dolu bir tarla gördü. Let's stop here. He saw a field full of what? Dolu means full of tall grass. Önünde, in front of him. So he saw in front of him a field dolu full of tall grass, uzun. Ve tarlanın içine. So A should be here. Ve tarlanın içine doğru koşmaya başladı. And he started to run right to the tarla, to that field. So, and started running into the field. So içine means inside, doğru means right. So directly he started to run directly to that field. This is what they want to say. Tarlanın içinde artık görünmüyordu ve köpeklere izini kaybettirdi. Meaning of this sentence that he was no longer visible in the field. So görünmüyordu, he was not visible. Visible, so invisible. Mu is the negative. He was not visible anymore inside the field. Ve köpeklere izini kaybettirdi. It means he made the dogs lose track of him. So köpeklere, we know dogs, kaybettirdi. He made them lose. So kaybetmek means to lose. Kaybettirdi. He made them lose track of him because this word it comes from is. Is means trace. So this is how we translate it. He made them lose lose track of him. Let's say. Now this was the story. Now what's the advice that we learn from this story? 3. Başkalarına güvenmek yerine kendinize güvenin. Trust yourself instead of trusting others. So this is what happened with the Tavşan, the rabbit. No one helped him, so he should have trusted himself before and to save his life. So this was the story. Now let's see the next slide. This is the translation of the story. Let's see the last slide that has some words that I have chosen for you. Word list, kelime listesi. How many of these do you remember? Avcılar ne demek? Yaklaşan köpek, ürkütmeyi, koşarsan, üzgünüm, peşimdeler, yaklaşmıştı, izini kaybettirdi. So which of these words do you still remember if you don't go back to the story? And of course, don't forget to look at the description box where I have some links for you to help you learn Turkish easily and faster. Let me know if you like the story by liking and sharing it with others and also writing your comments under this video. Assalamu alaikum.